terminal. It's outside of the arrival hall. There's a sky bridge here, but you can see it, but you can't walk towards it. So I walked outside and around the main building and arrived at this SkyTrain station. You need to take one more station. My plan for today, I'm gonna take the train to enter the city and then take the commuter to station Bogor, and from there I'm going to Sukabumi. So I've just reached BNI station. BNI station is where you get down from the airport, and you can switch to commuter lane at the station Sudirman. And then I'm heading to the next station Manggarai, and I'll see you there.
Please insert cash.
I'm so amazed. So you have to cross the track to enter. Finally, I have arrived in Salah Bintana. So here I am. After getting out from home at 6 o'clock in the morning, I arrived in this nice countryside hotel. At Jakarta time is 10 p.m. So Malaysian time would be 11. Oh, it's so tiring, but lots of fun. This place looks good. It's very cold here, and I'm actually just right beside a volcano, or at least it's very nearby. So I'm gonna take a shower, get some rest, and I'll see you tomorrow. Shall we? I hate sand. Sand is the worst enemy. The last time I flew in Cameron, the battery went from 25% to 0, and it went Mayday. That was a scary experience. Battery was 7 months old, less than 50 cycles I believe, but luckily I was able to recover it because I did not fly far, I did not fly high. It had sufficient time to land not far away from me, so I was very lucky.
Sendiri ya?
Ya, sendiri.
Nginap sini?
Sini, sana.
Nginap?
Nginap. chicken porridge. Ngon dữ à? Crackers. You got chicken, peanuts, fried onion, some tea. Oh, alright, ma. So I decided today, supposed to go to Situ Gunung. Fun fact of the day, today I have walked, as of right now, 9:50 AM, I have walked 5.5 kilometers, 8,500 steps, climbed 8 floors. So, today, I'm not gonna walk. So today I tried the Indonesian street food, but before that I had bingsu because it was so hot outside. It's actually, the sun is scorching hot, but the wind is quite cooling because we are at about 900 meters above sea level. So the wind is cool, but the sun is quite hot. And after we had bingsu, walk around and had batako, which is like rojak with some, I think it's a peanut sauce. So that is about 15,000. Works out to be 4 ringgit. Since we are here, why don't I give you a room tour? So this is my unit, very natural looking. This is rattan, I think. So we have got the window, got a chair, got a nice balcony here. Then we've got the water cooler outside here. Not sure why is it outside. Water cooler, a chair. This is a twin bedroom. So we've got a bed. We've got a power plug here. There's 2 of it. Then we've got the TV. I have not turned it on. Of course not, because we have YouTube. This is the washroom area. Got a mirror. Got a rack to hang our towel. We've got your bathroom, water heater. Water heater is gas powered. I got a go jack. You don't know how to use GPS, you don't know the way, so I end up here. And I think I'm gonna miss the sunset. This place is a farm place. It's on about 1,200 meters above sea level. It's actually at the very end of the road towards the volcano, towards the mountain. So should be a very nice place. But we're walking on this stone thingy. It's not even a road. What a grand view. This is the volcano. My sunset. My sunset. Cloud is coming. Very sad actually. This looks like a nice background for Milky Way.